Today I am going to show you how you can download Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022 USB driver without any cost. Follow up. Flashyet.com. We have completed our guide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.